If you are looking for the Veeam platform delivered as a service, our global network of Veeam cloud and service providers are here to help. Over the last 10 years, these partners have been supporting customers with their Veeam data protection solutions delivered in an as-a-service model. Veeam backup and replication users can quickly and securely connect to one of these providers using a built-in capability called Cloud Connect. In this video, I'll show you what the experience looks like to both find a Veeam, BAS, or DRAS partner, as well as how to create replicas and failover plans as a DRAS example. First, let's jump into the new Partner Directory portal and find a partner. Finding the partner portal is easy. Let's start by navigating to veeam.com, selecting Partners across the top, and find a partner. I already know in this video I'd like to check out disaster recovery as a service, so let's select the option in the middle. Next, I'll navigate to the competency area here on the right and select DRAS. I'm now able to see those partners most specialized in disaster recovery and quickly and easily find out more information about them and their services. You can contact a partner quickly by clicking Contact Partner on the right and providing your information. Now that we found a partner, let's jump into the lab and configure backup and replication. Here in the lab, we're looking at a Veeam backup and replication server. I've navigated to the service provider section and pre-configured my connection to that provider, where they have delivered some infrastructure to me located in their VMware Cloud Director environment, detailed here. I've also pre-configured some jobs that we'll be checking out. I built them into a custom view. I've got two particular disaster recovery workloads I want to talk through: snapshot-based replication and the new CDP replication through Veeam Cloud Connect available in version 12. For traditional snapshot-based replication, this works the same as it always has. We can configure source virtual machines, the destination as part of the VMware Cloud Director environment, and configure your standard replica mapping. For our new CDP workloads, we've got some additional configuration options that we'd like to walk through. First, I've configured some network remapping expectations. But before that, we'll look at my source workloads, the similar destination wizard which I've pre-configured both the VApp destination and a particular storage policy. Here, I've selected my network mapping between my source VLANs and the VLANs on my target site. But most importantly, as part of our CDP effort, we're able to pick some new scheduling options. You can see I've chose a very low RPO, as well as some additional short-term and long-term retention options. If I look here at my replicas, we'll see that both my CDP workloads and my traditional snapshot-based replicas have already been moved to the cloud. In order to fail them over, we'll build failover plans. I'll build two quickly for this demo. I pre-configured some names that I'll paste in. And set an appropriate delay. Next, I'll group my CDP workloads into their own failover plan. I'll also pick my delay and my machine order here. With these failover plans built, let's go ahead and fail them over and then check out the vCloud Director side to see how my workloads are performing. Started the first failover. Additionally, I'll go ahead and start the second one, and then we'll look at Cloud Director. We'll start to see some items at the bottom in our task list as these failover options are being performed. We'll see some reconfiguration and these machines starting. Utilizing VMware Cloud Director is a great option for our providers and end users because it has powerful networking options that can be pre-configured to function based on what we need when these failovers occur. We can see my first machine has powered on, and if necessary, we can utilize the VM console to get into the machine and perform additional actions. Now we can see that both of my replicas have powered on, and further testing can occur based on my ability to use the VM console or navigate directly to these workloads because of their connectivity. I've navigated back to the Veeam Backup and Replication console, and I can see my active failovers here, both my snapshot replicated workloads and those using CDP replication, so I can go ahead and test further. If I need to undo my failovers and go back to my original state, I can simply select all of these workloads and choose the undo failover option. Thanks for watching this quick DRAS video, and as always, you can learn more on Veeam.com.